out of Kununurra today, I have to say I had butterflies in my stomach. It marks really the last big hurdle for us on this trip in terms of the adventure, the unknown road, what the conditions are going to be like, will the bike survive, how will we cope?
Righto, back on the dirt. The Gibb is dry.
Okay, if you got to ride any sort of bike, would it be a motorbike or a push bike?
Motorbike. Motorbike. Motorbike.
Thought so.
I'm standing here today because I won a motorcycle on a TV show. I put a competition entry in. It was a Cartoon Connection. Back then it was called Agro, and I won the motorcycle. And no one in my family rode motorcycles. I joined a mini bike club. I won races. It evolved, and eventually I rode on the world circuit for Honda, Yamaha, and Suzuki. But my best result was second in the World Championship in 1995. That's how I am here now post my racing career. I've got two of my favourite passions together, Australia and motorcycles.
I'm so knackered. I think I'm about to pass out on this sand hill. The kids are still up the hill, negotiating a cliff with the GoPro, trying to find a stick for a slingshot. The road is definitely tough, and it hurts. Like when you get caught in the corrugations and they're hard corrugations and you're going up and down them, everything wobbles and shakes.
My tooth got wobbly because corrugations, I think.
It's like riding through golden syrup almost, some of this stuff, but with lumps in it.
It is very hot and very sweaty, and lots of people are very tired. We had to do about over 40 Ks.
They're doing an amazing job, and we probably don't really tell them that often.
We always fall over. But why do we fall over? Because soft.
Long day, busted tubes, so flat tyres, and a couple of falls, and yeah. And it's a race against the sun at the moment to get to the water bladders.
Another one bites the dust.
I bought this car for the reason that it would hopefully last forever, but clearly as I'm holding a major part of the car, it didn't.
So this is called the Coastal Emu. Anyway, we'll go swimming, it'll be all good.
We're just on the side of the road, the sun's going down, and it's just gorgeous. It's the Gibb River. Gibb River Road.
Gibb River Road.
Gibb River Road.
Oh, Gibb River Road.
Gibby, 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 river road.
Up and down on the Gibb River Road. We're rolling in on the bitumen today. The home stretch.
Gibb River Road, Gibb River Road, on the Gibb River Road.
Stop choreographing me. I am. You still recording?